And to other stories, in a renewed effort to combat malnutrition and improve Nigeria's nutritional landscape, the Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security, in partnership with HarvestPlus and Food Security, have developed and released Provitamin and maize, a biofortified crop designed to tackle vitamin A deficiency, particularly among children and lactating mothers. Correspondent Gulojo completes the story.
Senator Abubakar Kyari, represented by Dr. Mustapha Kupola, Special Advisor on Innovation System and Nutrient Security, reaffirmed the government's commitment to addressing malnutrition. The minister called for concrete efforts to ensure that food consumed by Nigerians is both nutritious and safe, rather than focusing solely on food quantity. Also, the Director of Department of Nutrition and Food Security at the reaffirmed Tinubu-led administration's commitment to tackling malnutrition nationwide.
People that are obese. So when you look at those two metrics of obesity on one side, malnutrition on the other side, what is telling you clearly is that it is not about only food. A lot of nutrition are lacking, and that is what is giving us that vibe and that result. So for healthy citizens, they are going to be those that can be productive. So for productivity to be enhanced, we need to actually fix the issue of nutrition.
Developing vitamin A biofortified seeds. We have done the first workshop. This is now the second workshop. This workshop will make sure that at the end of the day we are able to have a vitamin A maize seed that is good for us and is going to address malnutrition among children. And we are going to make sure that we increase the number so that it can reach our farmers, because as of now the quantity is very low. So we need to provide more funding and more support to increase the production through the National Seed Agricultural Council.
Chairman of the Variety Release Committee, Professor Olusoji Olufajo, emphasized the importance of validating nutrient standards for newly released crop varieties. He explained that the validation process will help set a minimum standard for provitamin A maize varieties, ensure that they contain the required beta-carotene levels to effectively address vitamin A deficiency in Nigeria. A research professor at Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria, and chairman of the Technical Subcommittee of Crop Variety Registration and Release, Professor Sehu Ado, explained how consumers can identify provitamin A maize in the market.
It's a good thing that we are doing because it's a collaborative effort, and all the people that are involved in this area are here, and we agree on the standard that we should use, and this is good for the country. When we validate it today at this meeting, we validate, and after that, since we have agreed, then within a short time it will be released. Even right now, since we, particularly we that are involved in variety release, are involved in it, we'll be using it. Because
the significance of all we are doing is that we are trying to improve the overall nutritional status of Nigerians by developing and releasing new crop varieties which are enriched with improved nutritional qualities.
The validation workshop brought together researchers, policymakers, and stakeholders to finalize micronutrient standards for provitamin A and non-provitamin A maize varieties. Participants were urged to contribute to shaping Nigeria's nutrition strategy by providing feedback and technical expertise. From Abuja, Kunle Ojo, Galaxy TV.